Welcome to AMSI Doctors Medical Center, the newest hospital here in Calamba City. We are partnering with the Josiah Foundation of Los Angeles, California, and with other partners. They're all here supporting our medical mission inside our new medical center here in Calamba City. We're glad to be of help, and we were looking forward to more medical missions in the future and more medical assistance to our community here in Calamba.
We're here at AMSI Doctors Medical Center located in Halang, Calamba City, Laguna, and we are here for another medical mission for our community. We are supporting the Josiah Zion Foundation Inc. in their medical mission.
This is Ed De Mesa from Josiah Zion Foundation, founder and executive director. And we would like to thank po lahat po ng mga naging partner namin ngayon dito sa Calamba Medical Mission. Ngayon pong May 22, 2024.
Narito po kami sa AMSI Doctors Medical Center sa Calamba, Laguna at nagkasagawa kami sa ngayon ng free bone setting therapy. Libre po ito. Na-align po namin ng mga misalignments ng mga buto para maayos o masolve ang mga problema na may kaugnayan sa pananakit, pamamanhid at panghihina ng iba't ibang part ng katawan.
We are glad to help our brothers and sisters here in Calamba City, and we are glad that we are invited in this activity.
Serbisyo po ito sa mga tao, no? Tinitingnan po namin ang kalusugan po ng mga pasyente na libre.
From time to time, we are conducting this medical mission, and hopefully we can help the other people around. No?
Isa pong malaking karangalan na ang aming pong medical mission dito po ginanap sa aming bagong hospital. This is AMSI Doctors Medical Center.
Kami po, kaisa ng local government and ng mga private companies in the Laguna ay lubos pong nagagalak, natutuwa, at kami po ay available anytime to address the healthcare needs of our countrymen, of the Filipinos, and all the Lagoeños. Muli, our privilege to be of service to all of you. Thank you.
Papasalamat po kami unang-una sa Diyos sa mga binigay sa aming pagkakataon para magawa ito. And sa mga partner namin, lahat po sila nagsasama-sama, nagtutulong-tulong kami para makagawa kami ng isang medical mission para makatulong kami sa maraming tao dito sa medical mission.
Thank you for all the volunteers here, and also the doctors, the chiropractors, and the volunteer nurses. Also from Calamba Doctors Hospital, AMSI Group of Companies, that's Advanced Medical Systems Inc., whose flagship business is Calamba Doctors Hospital, and AMSI Doctors Medical Center is the newest hospital that we are operating. Thank you po.
Thanks God because we have met Josiah Zion Foundation based at Los Angeles, California.
At sana mas marami pa kaming matulungan dito sa isinasagawa naming free bone setting therapy.
Kinalulugod po namin makasama ang ating mga volunteers for this medical mission.
In behalf of the management of AMSI Doctors Medical Center, I would like to thank our partner corporations for having this very successful medical mission. Kami po ay nalulugod na kami ay mapili na isa sa lugar kung saan natin po idadaos ang ating medical mission. At kami po ay nagagalak na makapagbigay serbisyo sa ating mga kababayan upang i-manage ang kanilang mga health concerns and health problems.
Sana magpatuloy pa rin ito sa mahabang panahon.
Sana po ay makasama rin namin ang iba pa naming mga kababayan, mga Pilipino sa Amerika na gusto ring sumama at tumulong at pakisa sa amin para sa aming ginagawang pagtulong sa mga Pilipino. Sumama na po kayo sa amin. Thank you so much po.